Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Redmi Note 13. So on the first step, let's open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. Click on the plus and choose Search your document. I'm gonna pick something from gallery, just select your photo and click on the import. Now you can add a shape to your document or the picture. If you're ready, click on the arrow icon. Now choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click on the accept. Now type the number in this place and choose the country from the list. To send a message, just click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, a comment, and goodbye.